Hassan told. And my third teacher was a small child. I was going through a village. And I found out there was one boy carrying a candle to mosque. The candle was lit. He was just holding his one hand to protect the flame of candle to be extinguished. He was carrying. Hassan says to his disciple, just jokingly, I asked that boy, have you lit the candle? Have you lit the candle? Have you fired the candle? The boy told, yes. Hassan says, just jokingly, just to inquire, I told that boy, do you know from where the fire came? There was a moment when candle was not lit. And then there was a moment when candle was lit. From where the fire came? Hassan asked that boy. The boy looked at him and blew the candle and told, now you tell me where the fire has gone. Hassan says, this little child was my third teacher. At that day, I realized that we stand on false knowledge and arguments. At that day, I dropped my all knowledgeability. That was the day, that was the last day I dropped being knowledgeable. That little child opened my eyes by blowing the candle and saying, now where the fire has gone. There are many mysteries in the life. Hassan says to his disciple, every moment you learn. There are many teachers, but these three were my very important teacher. I can tell you of now. My first teacher, the thief, who taught me that you have to keep hope in meditation. Try, maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, again you say tomorrow. One day it will happen. And there are only 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, only 7 days. Any of the day it can happen. So only 7 days. Within these 7 days it might happen. Don't be nervous. Don't give up Don't give up on meditation. One day you might get it. And even if you don't get, no matter, you have tried. Trying is worth enough. How can you give up trying? You have to try. This first teacher is the man, this thief, taught me the hope. And in meditation, it happens many times that there are many fears. You will go mad, you will lose this eye, you will lose the job, you will lose society, you will lose your wife, you will lose your husband, you may lose your life. Searching around, many fears. But you will have to jump. If you jump, all fears are gone. Like this reflection in the water, the dog was there, the fear was there, but when there was a big lap and jump, there was actually no dog. When you will jump, you will find out. Actually, fear is not there, it's only in your mind. If you jump, there is nothing, it's just only your reflection. It's just the reflection. And to find out all that, drop the knowledgeability. Drop whatever you have learned in this world. Enter in with complete new. Just be there, complete new, with no knowledge. The third teacher, the child. Even a child can shake your knowledge sometimes. Have you seen a child watching things? How wonderfully the child is watching. Everything is so interesting. A flying butterfly. If a butterfly flies, I don't know what a joy appears in a child. You have lost that. And every butterfly is different. Every life is different. Even a leaf on a tree is different. It is there now, it may not be there tomorrow. But you are so much acquainted with your knowledge, you just name the thing and forget about the wonder. There were people who even got enlightenment with falling of the leaf. Seeing the leaf falling. Teaching is there. If you are open. But from all the corners, wherever from light can enter, we have shut all the doors and windows. We think we know. And that is the shutting of your door and windows. When you are inquiring, you don't know. You may find. But that is not knowing that you know. If you know, it's boring. But you never know. You know that you never know. What is today may not be tomorrow. That is what meditation is. Every moment our being together, sitting in this Eiffel area. You never know, I will come back or not. I am here, you are here. Maybe this is the only chance. Maybe to find me in future, you will have to travel a long journey. Every story, every joke, what we are sharing, it's not only on you. I am sharing with you. I am being here with you. What we are sharing here is very important. Because you never know when that will happen. For some people, it may appear stupid. For some people, it may appear of tremendous intelligence. So, my dear friend, I think tomorrow we inquire more. Try to be little early. Come here little early and sit for a while. I may also come early or may not come. But you have to be early. You have to wait. If waiting has its own energy, the waiting has its own love. We are all here together. We are waiting. We are waiting that someday it might happen. It's important. It's rejoice. And it's only tomorrow. But don't come before 9. Everything is closed. Thank you for hearing me in this nice weather, sitting with me in this room. We will talk again tomorrow.